quick update. Front suspension's almost finished. I think at the minute probably too soft. Wheels are in the right place, so that's the size it's going to be.
I'm going to break my leg with it.
Probably, if they're in the way. Well, I'm about 80% through the body now, so I'm playing with rear wing ideas. I think it's going to end up something like this. So body wise, not perfect, but not bad for a first go, probably. One thing I'm glad about though is, apart from those little end plates on the front, everything is carbon fibre, so I didn't think I'd be able to do that. Closing nose thing.